In the countryside village, a simple daycare center is located after a 3-hour drive from the city center of Kagoshima Prefecture, the southernmost point of Japan. This place has become famous across Japan due to its unique educational method called Tensai education, Chankai Jiao Yu Fa. Around 90 children ranging from newborn babies to 7-year-olds attend this municipal daycare center-like facility. When the children enter the classroom, they study what they want to learn by themselves. There is even a 5-year-old child who can solve arithmetic problems using an abacus. By the time they graduate at the age of 7, most of them have reached the level of passing a Level 2 National Abacus exam. The children also develop perfect pitch, and within 3 to 4 days of just listening, they can play a piece of music without looking at the score, starting from before they reach the age of 4. By covering their eyes and concentrating from the age of 3, their sense of pitch improves. Children who learn to read and write from the age of 3 can read books fluently. They typically read 2 to 3 books at once, and by the time they graduate at the age of 7, most have read around 2,000 books, while some avid readers have even read up to 3,000 books. More surprisingly, they have achieved all this by themselves without being told to do so. How is all this possible? It is achieved by using the psychology of children who want to compete, do something more difficult, follow others, and want to be recognized. The physical education classes in this facility are even more astonishing than reading, math, and music lessons. Children as young as 5 to 6 years old can easily jump over a 10-step staircase taller than their own height. They can perform difficult movements such as handstands and bridge poses that even adults find challenging. The reason why this facility has 20 times more physical education classes than other daycare centers is that they do all these activities barefoot. By walking barefoot, their feet become faster, their balance improves even on gymnastic mats, and their athletic ability improves. Through these activities, their academic level is elevated. They start the day with a 20-minute barefoot run, and if they get distracted while studying, they can freely run barefoot in the playground. The stimulation from the ground makes their running speed twice as fast as that of a second grader in elementary school. For more than 10 years of living barefoot, there have been no common colds, asthma, or atopic children. Even in the dead of winter, they run barefoot anytime. One child with cerebral palsy, who was unable to walk when they first came here at the age of 4, now visits this facility every summer vacation to interact with younger siblings. She can now walk because going barefoot was more stable than wearing shoes. Now she can run on the field by herself. The parents and teachers believe that barefoot activities have been a great source of strength for this child. Even though the children may be tired after physical education class, they seem more alert than ever. Why is that? It is because running barefoot supplies the brain with oxygen so well that they can concentrate actively on what they are reading. Their ability to concentrate is excellent when they listen to their teacher's words or study. What is the connection between children running barefoot and their abilities? Through the sensitive sensation of their feet, children detect everything from the state of the ground to its inclination and work hard to maintain balance. These are important learning processes for children. The human body has sensory receptors that receive external stimuli. Many nerves in the hands and feet send information to the brain to enable the body to move harmoniously. The speed of transmitting this information to the brain is 240 times faster than the speed at which pain is felt. This is because these nerves play an important role in our brains. This is why sometimes when we need to stimulate the brains of people with paralysis, we use foot stimulation therapy. Proper use of the feet, training, or exercise can provide the brain with significant stimulation, allowing it to analyze, judge, remember, or establish various brain functions.